October 5 is National Manufacturing Day, and I'm pleased to have Dave Spiegelmeyer from the Marcellus Shale Coalition here with me to talk about the connectedness between Pennsylvania's growing manufacturing sector and the Commonwealth's energy abundance.
Dave, thanks for having me here to celebrate National Manufacturing Day. Pennsylvania's abundance and affordability of natural gas and natural gas liquids is a powerful competitive advantage for manufacturers, especially those in the plastics and petrochemical industries. And a recent study called Forge the Future would suggest that Pennsylvania can achieve $60 billion of GDP growth over the next 10 years with 100,000 new jobs if we get the right policies in place to capitalize on this abundance and affordability of a world-class energy resource right here in our Commonwealth.
Well, there's great opportunity ahead, but we're seeing those shale-related benefits today. Growth in manufacture of chemical products has been a big driver of the $12 billion expansion in Pennsylvania manufacturing output since 2009. And of course, manufacturing is what upholds Pennsylvania's middle class, over 500,000 jobs on the plant floor, paying 70% above average Pennsylvania wages. What we need now is a strong pro-growth, pro-production agenda in Harrisburg to get the maximum benefit from this energy opportunity to power our manufacturing economy.
Dave, Pennsylvania's shale industry is proud to partner with Pennsylvania's manufacturers.
Happy Manufacturing Day.